If someone else can freeze your account, reverse a transaction, or lock you out, you don't truly own your crypto. Trading cryptocurrencies involves risks, such as price volatility and market risks. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your appetite for risk. Many users rely on platforms that actually control their funds. Accounts can be restricted without warning. True ownership begins at the wallet level. Panthom is a wallet that offers full self-custody over assets. Private keys remain with the user, not with a company. You don't have approvals, freezers, or withdrawal limits. You keep everything in one place, and you genuinely own it. Now, how Panthom manages security: you receive clear permission requests before any transaction. You have easy visibility into which apps can access your wallet, and it's designed to reduce accidental approvals. And you might be wondering, all right, who is this wallet for? Panthom is for people who interact with Web3 apps regularly. It's for users who are holding tokens and NFTs for the long term. And generally speaking, it's for anyone who values control over convenience. You need to understand self-custody means you control your funds and you own them. Panthom never has access. Panthom works across multiple major blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, Sui, and many other blockchains, so you can keep everything in one place. It has widespread adoption across the Web3 ecosystem, and it's simple enough for newcomers while still being trusted by experienced users. Panthom is trusted by over 50 million users. Click the link in the description below, download the app, and start using it today. You'll immediately realize its power for yourself. In addition, Panthom is compatible with many browsers, not just Google Chrome, but also Firefox, Brave, and even Edge. And it's also available on mobile, both Android and iPhone. Before chasing profits, sort out your foundation. Use a wallet where you're in control. Make sure you understand what you're signing and own your assets outright. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. And leave any questions you may have in the comments, and we'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.